Hello guys, welcome back. This is Manigandan. So today we are going to discuss about vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. What is the role that people are going to play when it comes to vulnerability assessment and penetration testing? In this video, we are going to see the difference between those. Okay, basically nowadays security is the most important things we have to consider our user data and sensitive information, etc. So basically organization will trust the people who is going to play as a vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. So vulnerability assessment, I would say it is a automation process. They will, I mean that the people who is going to play as a vulnerability assessment role, they will rely on some kind of automation tools that is called Nessus, Actonetics, Burbsuit Professional and Rapid7. There are so many tools which are available in market. We can use as a free version and we can use some paid version. So organization will buy those tools. The tester, I mean who is going to play as a VA role, they will trust those tools. They will do the scanning process using those tools. Then once that scanning process is completed, then they will get a report from those tools, I mean that automation tools. Then they have to see what are the findings which are discovered by those automation tools. As a tester, I know okay what are the things that we can present in front of customer and what are the findings that I can remove from the report, because sometimes we can't completely trust on the automation tools. Sometimes it would be a false positive findings, so I have to remove some false positive and I have to prepare the report which will make sense to the customer, because the customer, they do not have any idea about security perspective. Yes, they know very well, but I am saying about technical perspective. So in our report should present clear manner, and that when user will, I mean that organization people will look into my report, they should understand what is the finding that that I am trying to say. That is called vulnerability assessment tester role. But when it comes to penetration testing, I am the pen tester. What I am going to do, I have to think about attacker perspective. I don't need to trust any automation tool. Yes, I can use some automation tools, but instead of trusting automation tools, I have to do some manual stuff. So there are so many domains when it comes to penetration testing. That is called application pen test, cloud pen test, network pen test, that is called infrastructure, then mobile pen test, mobile application pen test, web service, finally thin client, etc. There are so many domains which comes under penetration testing, but these are the domain as per my knowledge. So for example, I am going to do application pen test for particular customer. Before starting any pen test, I will create NDA between myself and the customer, and then I will start the application pen test. So here I noticed they are running Apache lower version, that is called something, okay, Apache 7. So when it comes to vulnerability assessment tester role, what they will do, they will inform app team that you are running lower version of Apache, try to upgrade to latest one. That is the things they will play when it comes to vulnerability assessment role. But when it comes to penetration testing, I don't want to say that you are running lower version. Yes, I will say that they have to upgrade the latest one. Instead of telling like this, what I have to do, I have to think about attacker perspective. Then for example, I noticed if they are running Apache lower version, this version will make some remote code execution or buffer flow attack or sensitive information disclosure. What I will do, I will prepare some POC, or I have to try to exploit that particular finding, so that app team, when I'm going to deliver my report, they will understand okay, if they are running this version, this will cause this kind of attack. So I have to give us some POC in front of customer. sometimes it's very difficult to exploit some kind of vulnerability. Basically, why I'm telling these things, basically we will get a 4 days SLA, 3 days SLA, depends on requirement basing. Sometimes app team will come up with some application which will deliver by next week or something like that. We have a minimum timeline period. In between timeline period, we have to do some manual stuff. So sometimes too difficult to exploit each and every vulnerability. But we have to think about attacker's perspective. Instead of telling to some suggestion in front of customer, we have to give us some POC, that is called penetration testing. So it is a kind of manual stuff, it is a kind of automation stuff. Yeah, even sometimes in when it comes to vulnerability assessment tester role, if you are getting minimum IPs like a 2 IP or 3 IP, if you have enough time, that time instead of telling to upgrade the version, if it is possible, you can get some screenshot, you can put that screenshot in your report, then you can show in front of customer. But it is completely manual stuff. I hope it will clear your doubt when it comes to vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. So in this channel we are going to discuss lots about penetration testing. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. So if you want to know some other stuff like a technical information, please leave the comment in the comment section below. Let me try to give answer for those questions. Have a nice day. Bye.